Here I have DOOGEE S88 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So to record screen, just go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Adobe Captive. Tap on it once, and it asks you, do you decide to start the recording screen? Start it once. Then you have to get to know with these informations, and then tap Start Now. And after that, recording starts. Let's record some of our screen. And then if you want to stop recording, you just have to tap on this red button here. And after that, recording will be saved to the gallery. And here you can find your recording here at the screen record album. And after that, recording starts. Let's record some of our screen. And then if you want to stop recording. And from here you can share, edit or delete your recording. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.